What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO credit cards annual fees. Lahat ng credit card ni BDO guys, pag-uusapan natin yung annual fee, i-reveal ko siya sa inyo para at least maging aware kayo, para hindi nyo na kailangan isa-isahin kung ano nga ba yung or magkano nga ba yung credit card annual fee ng bawat credit card ni BDO. Para at least makapili kayo ng credit card, yung pinakamaliit yung annual fee. Kasi lahat ng credit card ni BDO, i-reveal ko. Kasi merong 20 plus na credit card si BDO. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang. Kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ayan, BDO credit cards. Nakikita nyo naman si Pia Wurzbach. Kasalukuyan kasi guys, siya yung ambassador ni BDO. So hawak-hawak niya is yung Platinum Mastercard. Credit cards. Get more with BDO credit cards. Exclusive deals and privileges await. So ito guys, merong iba't ibang klaseng credit card si BDO. When we say klase, merong Mastercard, merong Visa, merong American Express credit cards, at saka may JCB. When we say JCB, Japan Credit Bureau. So, yung GCB stands for Japan Credit Bureau. May UnionPay, at saka may Diners Club, of course. At saka meron si BDO credit card, guys, which is yun yung pinaka-highest tier credit card nila. I-reveal ko kung magkano yung annual fee kasi medyo nakakalula siya, guys, actually. Sa tulad nating namumuhay ng simple at hindi naman siya simple kasi wala man tayong choice kundi magpaka-simple. Namumuhay ng ordinaryong pamumuhay rather. Ganon. So, unahin ko na guys si BDO World Elite Mastercard. Enjoy a life of privileges and access by invitation only. So, when we say invitation, hindi siya ina-apply. Ini-invite si client na qualified siya for this kind of credit card. Ibig sabihin, hindi para sa mga ordinaryong tao lamang ito. Ito ay para sa mga VIP clients ni BDO, which is may mga billion-billion, parang ganun. So as you can see guys, yung annual fee ni BDO World Elite Mastercard is $1,500 US. Diba? Dollar yun guys, 1,500. Then yung supplementary credit card naman niya is $750 US. So, sa $1,500 US guys, annual fee sa principal credit card yun. 82,500 pesos, converting it to our currency, which is 55 pesos yung rate per $1. So, 1,500 times 55, 82,500 pesos yung annual fee ng BDO World Elite Mastercard. So, yun. Move on tayo sa pangmayamang credit card. So, ngayon, let's talk about credit card o BDO Mastercard, Shopmore Mastercard. Merong tatlong kulay si BDO Shopmore Mastercard. Merong purple, merong yellow-green, at saka may orange. Pero iisa lang naman yung perks and benefits at saka yung annual fee niyan. So as you can see guys, BDO Shopmore Mastercard, whether it's orange, purple, or yellow-green, yung annual fee niya is 1,800. Ngayon, deduction niya is 150 every month. So every month yung reflection or kumbaga nagre-reflect si membership fee sa transaction history is per month 150 pesos. And then next natin guys is si BDO Standard Mastercard. As you can see, 150 pesos a month then 1,800 pesos per year. Next is si BDO Bench Mastercard, 200 pesos per month at saka 2,400 yearly or annually. Then BDO installment card is 1,000 pesos yearly or yung annual fee. Then si BDO Gold Mastercard naman is 200 pesos per month, 2,400 yung per year. Si Platinum Mastercard naman is yung annual fee niya is 4,500 per year, hindi siya monthly. Yearly. Si BDO Visa Classic naman, the card that provides more value for your everyday spend. 150 pesos. Same siya sa Shopmore at saka sa Standard. 1,800 per year yung annual fee. Then si BDO Visa Gold, 2,000 monthly. Then 2,400 pesos per year. The next is si BDO Visa Platinum, 4,500 pesos yung annual fee niya. And then si BDO Visa Signature, 5,500 yung annual fee niya. Then ngayon move on tayo sa American Express credit cards ni BDO. Yung blue from American Express, Live Blue is 150 pesos monthly, 1,800 per year. Si BDO American Express Cashback Credit Card naman is 250 monthly, then 3,000 per year. Si American Express Explorer Credit Card naman is 4,000 yung annual fee niya, then 2,000 yung supplementary credit card. Actually guys, lahat naman ito may supplementary credit card. Kung magkano yung annual fee ng Principal Mother Card, kalahati yung annual fee ng supplementary credit card. Then ito naman, dito naman tayo sa American Express Platinum, $750. So ito yung next to World Elite Mastercard guys, kasi pareho silang US dollars. $750 yung annual fee niya, which is converting it to peso, 41,250. Si American Express Platinum Credit Card yon, Amex Platinum, 41,250 pesos sa 55 pesos na rate. Then, free for supplementary credit card. So, yung apat na supplementary credit card, no annual fee for life siya. Supplementary yun ha. The next natin guys is move on tayo sa BDO JCB credit cards. Si JCB Lucky Cat is 150 pesos, yung annual fee niya 1,800 monthly. Si JCB Gold naman is 200 pesos per month. So 2,400 monthly siya. The next natin guys is si BDO JCB Platinum, 4,500 yung annual fee niya. Then si Gold Union Pay. So move on tayo sa Gold Union Pay, 200 pesos monthly, then 2,400 per year. Then move on to BDO Diamond Union Pay, your best travel companion in Asia. So 5,000 pesos yung annual fee. Sa BDO Diners Club International is 250 pesos per month, 3,000 per year yung annual fee. Then sa BDO Diners Club Premier, 4,500 yung annual fee, then 2,500 sa supplementary credit card. Then ito guys, baka magtataka kayo kung saan ko galing yung mga details na to. Sa website ito, ni-research ko yung iba, tinawag ko sa customer service kapag hindi ako sure, para verified talaga. Then disclaimer lang guys, maaaring mag-iba yung annual fee neto per year kasi ngayon is August 2025. So by the past few years, maaaring umiba yung annual fee. Kasi minsan tumataas due to inflation, of course. Then, yun guys, nais kong malaman ninyo na yung credit card natin is naglalaman ng confidential details. So, ingatan nyo yung card number, expiry date, at saka yung card verification value or yung card verification code. Kasi, delikado siya. Pwedeng magamit yung credit cards natin sa online transactions kapag binalandra or binarabara natin yung credit card details natin. So, among this credit card guys, share ko na lang din. Meron akong Shopmore at saka Gold pa lang. So, actually guys, goal ko is magkaroon ako ng siguro kahit 20 credit card, charot. Mga 10 credit card ni BDO. So, iniisa-isa ko lang sila. Hindi ko pwedeng pagsabay-sabayan kasi baka hindi ko kayanin yung annual fee, of course. Kasi, alam mo naman, credit card ni BDO is walang no annual fee for life. So, lahat sila may annual fee. Kaya, hindi siya pwedeng basta nalang kukuha ka. Kailangan mo pa rin isa-alang-alang yung annual fee kung kakayahin mo ba siya babayaran every year. So, yun lamang guys. So, I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!